Hello everyone, you all know I am Don Yo. Yes, I am Muhammad Gerry Giannola of Class B Communication Department Universitas Muhammadiyah Malang. I'm here to make an herbal drone tutorial. Yes, this represents tone meditation. First, everyone is familiar with these herbal remedies as they are practical and without adverse effect on the user. They herbal are for absorbing tones diseases which we can make ourselves. First, we prepare the ingredients and the tools we will use. To hear ingredients and like get some sweet sauce and lemon one is ready. Okay. For his talks, Lake prepare a small box, and kitchen knife, and a sponge. Yes, okay, let's go. Step 1, and let's cut into two of those lemons, and don't forget the ones that had been washed cleansed already. Okay. 2. Put sweet sauce in the little bowl. Okay. Finish. Let's go. Step 3, and squeeze the lemons into a small bowl with sweet sauce inside. Sauce inside, yeah. Yes. Okay. Okay. Step 4, and the final step, stirring up evenly, and the remnants from the tones herbal can be taken for any egg. Yes, delicious. For me, I thank you for with this tutorial. Okay, goodbye.